Hey everyone, it's Nicole again. I'm back. So today I've got a unboxing of my very first Tokyo Kawaii Club mailer. So here it is. I've already cut off the top. It's so cute. It's got like a little stamp on it, which is adorable. So before I kind of get into it, I just ordered one. I'm not on a subscription or anything, and I think even if I do really love everything that's in it, I might not order again just because it was really expensive. So this one was $55, and then since I live in Canada, I did what Michael had recommended. So Michael is the curator and he finds all the stuff and everything basically, but I did what he suggested, and I did the express shipping, like the 1 week shipping, so that was an extra $10, which brought my total to $65, and that was in US currency. So in Canadian that was $85, and I guess we'll see if it was worth all of that. Here is the bag. It is really cute. It looks like they are having some kind of celebration right now, 35th anniversary, I guess. No, something must be turning 35, but so it's a really cute bag. I probably will keep the bag because I don't know, I think it's really cute. So it looks like there's a couple of different bags in here. So I'll pull out the first one, and it's just a smaller version of the bigger bag. Okay, I'm trying to kind of treat this as a blind bag. I haven't looked in it at all yet, so we'll see. And one of the cool things is that when you sign up and when you purchase your subscription, Michael will email you and ask for your top 10, I think, favorite Disney characters. So I gave him a good long list, you know, a couple princesses, the Aristocats, things like that. I know that in Japan a lot of the cat characters are a lot bigger, which is nice. And I really love Tsum Tsums. So we'll see what's here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, it's this little cupcake thing, which is super cute. A little like cardboard box, I think. So it's a nice silver, just throw it, black bag. And the box that I got, the magic mailer, did have, I think it comes with like some plushes. It's a bit of a bigger mailer. Oh my goodness. So it's a little like cell phone charm. And it's this little guy. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a little chocolate cupcake with like ears on it. I'm not sure which cat this is supposed to be. I don't know if there were any brown cats in the Aristocats, but he is adorable and I love it. Okay, next thing in this bag. Oh my goodness. So I think this is one of the holders, I guess, for your cards for the parks, or I guess you could put ID or something in it, but it's got like a little clip here, so it's like stretchy, so you can hang it from like a backpack or something. Like this would be really good for like a bus pass or something, and it's got Belle on it. So Belle was one of the princesses that I said, or one of the characters that I said was my favorite. That's really nice that there's like Belle in here, and this is really cute. This would be so good for eventually when I go back to the parks, and I can like put my card in here, my little like pass card. I've never stayed on a Disney resort before, so I don't get the magic bands obviously because I am not staying on a resort, but this is so cute. You could put a lot of things in here. I could use this for like a bus pass or something. Adorable. Okay. There's a little note that just says thank you so much for supporting his business from Michael, and it's on like cute little piglet paper, which is adorable. I do love Winnie the Pooh. Okay, so last thing is this little Ariel tin. Give you a close up. There we go. She's in her grotto with Sebastian and everyone, and Flounder's there looking at her little like music box thing. Oh my god, there's little candies. Little candies. Oh, So cute. I will be very excited to try those out. I have no idea what flavor they are. Who knows? But it is a really cute tin, so I can put lots of, I can keep like trading pins or something in there. Okay, next bag looks like it's from the Disney store. So on this side it's got Chip and Dale, and from this side it's got, I don't know who that is actually, but it is some bears. These must be some characters that are exclusive to the Tokyo Disneyland. If you guys know who these are, let me know. And I feel something squishy. I'll do this first. Oh my gosh. So it is a Duchess keychain. Duchess from the Aristocats. Look at her. She's so cute. Got her little collar. And it's a little keychain, which is adorable. It's very soft. There's another squishy thing in here. And I think, yes, it is. It's a little foofy. And this one is Berlioz, I believe. I can never quite remember which is which. I think Toulouse is the black one, though. Oh my god, these are so cute. They are very squishy. This will actually be my first foofy, and they smell like apples, which is a very interesting thing, but it's actually kind of a nice smell, like apple blossoms. It's not too overwhelming or overpowering. It's nice. Okay, got a magnet, or no, a button. It's a button. So it's in a button for Aurora, which is very nice. She's definitely one of my favorite princesses. I know that she doesn't really do a whole lot in her movie. Most of it is spent sleeping, but you know, I like a good sleep too, Aurora, so. And got one. Okay, so these are the little beads that comes with this guy. So there's a little packet in here. Inside a little mesh packet that's full of the little scent beads. And I think there's a little, yeah, so there's a little hole in the back here that you can just stick the little scent beads in. And then he smells like apple blossoms. Oh, and there's one last thing in here. And it is, I think this is a map of one of the parks, which is really cool. I like seeing maps and everything, so that's fun. Yeah, they're definitely celebrating something, which is really cool. Yeah, okay, so that was everything that I got in the subscription, and I do really like everything. It is very nice, and it's nice to get some stuff from Japan, because obviously we do not have a Tokyo Disneyland here in Canada, and we don't get a lot of the stuff from the States either, so it's nice to get some stuff from other places. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend it. It is a little bit pricey, but Michael does try and curate to sort of what your interests are. Everything on here was stuff that I said that I enjoyed and were characters that I liked, so there wasn't anything thrown in that I didn't like, which is good. Everything had some of my favorite characters on, which is awesome. So it's really nice that he puts a lot of care into the packages that he's making. Yeah, overall, it was definitely a good haul. I think my favorite from the box is this little guy. He's so cute, and I do have a Marie Tsum Tsum, so he won't be lonely. All right, so that's everything for this one so far. Let me know if any of you guys have gotten any of the Tokyo Kawaii Club bags before. I'll leave a link in the description as well if you want to check it out yourself. But anyways, that's everything for this one. So give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite thing from this particular bag. And make sure you ring the bell if you want to get notifications for when I post. I am trying to post a bit more often now, so hopefully that bell will be going off more often. Thanks everyone, bye!